Hello everybody, and welcome to Willadine's Kitchen. I hope you're having a good day and you're ready to start cooking. But before we start cooking, I like to say please hit the subscribe button and the like button if you like my videos, and I just want to thank you for viewing. So today we're going to make some Parmesan Crusted Green Beans. So I believe this is a healthy, delicious snack that you can make. It's quick to make. You can serve it while you're watching TV, or if you have company over, or you're having a sporting event and you're looking at some sports on TV. It just goes good anytime you want something healthy to snack on. And it can also make a great side dish for one of your main courses. So I'm gonna just show you what we have here to get this dish prepared. Of course, we have the green beans. These are fresh green beans, not frozen. They work best when you have fresh green beans. We have Parmesan cheese here in this container, and we also have some Parmesan cheese here that you can grate up yourself freshly. So you can use either one. Today we're going to use the grated one, but I just wanted to show you that you can use the canned Parmesan cheese as well. So we also have 1/4 cup of buttermilk, and we have 1 egg, and we have some seasoning here. I have a mixture of salt, black pepper, and garlic in this seasoning jar, and I have some Cajun seasoning as well that we're going to use. I like the Cajun seasoning. It gives a nice little spice kick to it. And of course, we have breadcrumbs. We're going to use the breadcrumbs and the cheese to coat the green beans. So I'm going to show you how we get this put together, and we're going to have some delicious Parmesan crusted green beans. Okay, so first I removed the green beans from the package, inspected them just to make sure there wasn't any bad beans in there, and they all look very nice. The next thing we're going to do is we crack our egg into this bowl here. And we're going to add the buttermilk to the egg, just like that. And we're going to take a 1/2 teaspoon of our seasoning, put that right in here, like that. And now we're going to mix this together. Mix it up really good, and it's going to make a nice thick coating liquid for our green beans. So that's all we have to do here to prepare our coating liquid. Okay, so now for our breading, we have 1 cup of breadcrumbs in this pie dish. Whatever flat dish or bowl you may have works best. I think it gives you more room to get your beans in there and get them coated well. So what we're going to do next is we're going to grate some of this Parmesan cheese right into this breadcrumbs here. I like mine a little extra cheesy, so I may put what you might consider a lot of cheese. And there we go. And then we have our seasoning mixture. So we're going to add some seasoning, salt, pepper, and garlic. I have 1 teaspoon of that here. Spread that in there like that. And then for a little bit of a spiciness and a little kick to it, we're going to add our Cajun seasoning. About the same amount, about a teaspoon of that right in here. Then we just simply mix this all in there together. Then you could add some chopped parsley or even some dry herbs to this if you like. I'm just adding the cheese and the seasoning, and then we'll start breading our green beans. Okay, so what I have here is a simple breading station that I set up here on the counter. So we have our green beans first, we have our egg mixture second, we have our breadcrumbs third, and then we're going to place them on this parchment lined baking sheet, which I'm going to spray with a little bit of non-stick pan coating, so the green beans don't stick to the paper, and they also get a nice crisp on the bottom as well. Okay, so now we have our green beans breaded and coated with the Parmesan and breadcrumb coating. And the next thing I like to do is I normally drizzle some olive oil over the top. And you don't have to do this, but I like to do that. It gives it a little bit more of a crispiness and a brown color when it goes in the oven. So we're gonna bake these in the oven, 380 degrees, for 15 to 20 minutes until the beans are nice and tender and they'll have a crispy crust on the outside. So our next step is to place these in the oven, and we're almost there. The hardest part of this, or the longest process, is breading the green beans. Once we get to this point, we can be eating green beans in 15 or 20 minutes. So to the oven we go. Okay, we just removed the green beans from the oven. They've been in there approximately 17 minutes. I set the timer for 15 minutes, but I let them go a couple of minutes longer. We have a nice brown color to them, and we're gonna let them cool off, and then we're gonna get them plated up and give them a taste. Okay everyone, our green beans are done. We've taken them out of the oven after 17 minutes in the oven. As you can see, we have some nice brown color to them. And I grated a little more Parmesan cheese on top, just to add a little extra flavor to it. And of course, I love cheese. So we're serving this up with some Texas Pete spicy hot wing sauce and some Cool Ranch dressing dipping sauce. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a taste. We're gonna go spicy hot first, see what that tastes like. Get a little bit of that sauce on there. Oh, that's good. And the spiciness, you can feel it. So that tastes great. The beans are got a nice crust on them. They're nice and tender on the inside. Tastes really good. Get one of these right here at the top. You're gonna try the Cool Ranch. Yeah, that's great as well. So this is what it looks like. This tastes really good. I would actually buy 2 bags of green beans if I was you, because this fresh platter is they're gonna go through it. They're gonna fly through it really quick because it tastes so great. I hope you enjoyed our videos. I want to thank you for viewing, and please hit that subscribe button on your way out. Thank you, and have a good day.